Welcome to CBS Automotive. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video I'm going to be featuring a BMW M5 competition. It's a brand new 2020 model with loads of extras. We've not only added security upgrades like a tracker, ghost immobilizer, as well as the fact we've added target Blueye, which is an emergency service warning device, as well as the fact we've added in a Thinkware U1000 dashcam front and rear with a battery. I'm going to be going through all that in a bit more detail, showing you the finished product as well as some of the features and benefits of adding these products onto your car. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below and it will keep you up to date with all of our latest videos. On that guys, let's get started. I'm going to be starting off by basically going through every single product that we've installed onto this vehicle step by step. So I'm going to start off with security. First things first is the tracking system. It's a Dashcam approved tracking system that basically allows you to not only have an app on your phone called My Connected Car, which you can download today, have a trial version, it's press on demo, and basically it will go through everything and features and benefits that you guys are going to be getting. This tracking system is Dashcam approved, so your insurance company might be giving you a discount or insisting that you actually have one of these systems installed onto your vehicle. So it's called an S5 VTS. Get in touch, we'll drop all the links below for all of the product range so you can have a bit more detail there as well. Basically, the main thing about this tracking system is it comes with two ADR cards, little tags that you just keep on your keys. Got one on my own vehicle as well. We trusted these products onto our own vehicles, and that's why we recommend them onto your vehicles too. Basically, two little tags, you keep them with you while you're driving the vehicle, and what happens is if that vehicle is moved or started, even with the factory key, as long as you don't have that ADR card present, you'll be getting a phone call notifying you that the vehicle has had a incident, or whether it's moved or moved without tag or whatever it may be. That security system will give you a call, and then also it will then recover the vehicle as well. So that's all through Vodafone Automotive, and they liaise directly with the police on that system. So if you're interested in Dashcam approved tracking, make sure you get in touch and we'll drop all the links below for that. Moving on to something a little bit more complicated. Basically it's called a Ghost 2 Immobilizer system. In terms of this system, basically what it is, it's an immobilizer that's not like anything else you've seen on the market. Ghost 2 Immobilizer uses factory buttons on your steering wheel or inside the vehicle that are on what's called the CAN of the vehicle, which is the electric system of the vehicle, basically to immobilize and start the vehicle. So basically what you do now, rather than getting in the car and just pressing your foot on the brake and pressing that start button and off you go, this vehicle is now secured by a code that's stored right in your head. This code, basically on this example, we've just set this up for demonstration purposes. We'll change this and go through everything with the customer once they collect the vehicle. In essence, you get in the car, you turn your ignition on, you got all your lights on the dash, and what you do is you enter your code. So in this case, we've got 4 minus buttons, for instance, but this can be varied and changed to whatever you may want. Once you've pressed on that code, basically, then you start up the vehicle and drive along the road. Say the vehicle is stolen, vehicle, even say they bypass Ghost for whatever reason. At the moment, I don't think it's been able to be bypassed, but say, for instance, it does. Vehicle drives along the road. Next time that vehicle starts, it will need bypassing again, or it will automatically lock the vehicle via that sequence as well. So a really, really cool bit of kit. If you're interested in Ghost Immobilizer, again, we'll drop all the links below. Basically, it uses factory buttons, nothing's visible, and it goes into the vehicle's brain and actually stops the vehicle from starting. So that way, it's not only secured from actually leaving the vehicle from your home or from site, but it's also then vehicle tracked as well using the S5 tracking system. So it's our perfect combo for anyone looking to secure their vehicle. So that's the overall in terms of what we've added on security on this M5 competition. Now moving on to the toys. First toy that we've added on, which is an absolutely amazing bit of product. It's called Target Blueye. It's an emergency service warning device that basically alerts you guys while you're driving along the road of any approaching emergency service vehicle. That's marked and unmarked. So it's an incredible bit of device. We've added in the display up on the top right-hand side, or left-hand side of the mirror, sorry. Basically what that does is it alerts you by an audible tone as well as a visual alert for approaching emergency service vehicles. What we've done is run an antenna basically from the control box all the way into the front right hand side of the bumper. This antenna is a T30 antenna. It's exclusive to ourselves here in Cambridge. If you're looking for the optimum target Blueye installation, make sure you get in touch and make sure, and we always will, put that antenna in for you. That antenna is exclusive to ourselves. Basically, it sits on the right hand side of the bumper. And what we've actually done on this particular vehicle, obviously being a 2020 vehicle, or any vehicle for that matter, what we've done, we found, rather than just sort of mounting that antenna into the bumper, we've actually 3D printed a mold that actually fits perfectly round where we've mounted it in the front right. So everything is done with great detail here at CBS Automotive. So that's the target Blueye, and we'll go through that. We've done a couple of other videos which you can go through as well separately on that product, but again, links are below for that. In terms of the other product that we've added on to upgrade, but also to secure this vehicle, is something called a Thinkware U1000 Dashcam. Basically, it's a front and rear system. It's a 4K dashcam. It's one of the highest spec dashcams you guys can buy on the market currently. So incredible bit of kit. Currently as well, we've got this same system into our demo car. So if you want to see this product live in action, by all means come by, see our demo car, and we can show you exactly how the product works. So you've got a front camera mounted really neatly and discreetly behind the mirror. So from driver's view, you literally can't see it at all. And then on the back of the window, we've got, again, a really small and discreetly mounted rear camera. The cool thing about this system is that it records while the vehicle is parked safely. So there's no draw on the vehicle's factory battery. It's actually got a little battery that we've mounted in the vehicle. It's completely hidden away. And what it does is the dash cam will basically draw off that little battery while the vehicle is parked. And as you're driving along, it will charge up our little battery. It's called a Thinkware iVolt battery, and again, links will be below for these products. Basically, it's a really solid bit of kit that's reliable, as well as the fact it's awesome quality. Plus, you can control it all by your app as well. So you've got full control over the settings, also viewing all your video footage live directly from there as well. So that's hopefully giving you a bit of an overview of all the products that we've added on. If you're interested in one particular product out of this, or doing the whole system like this gentleman's gone for today, we can do that for you, and we can go through everything during a consultation. Basically, the way we work is you bring your vehicle by, we'll sit down with you, we'll design, spec, and then install all of your equipment to how you want it done. So if you're interested in something like this, make sure you get in touch. All the links are below.